Imagine the scent of freshly made donuts wafting through the air, drawing in a steady stream of eager customers. This is our first business idea today. Mini donut shop. A mini donut shop could be a delightful venture, combining the appeal of sweet treats with a compact business model. Mini donuts are particularly attractive because they cater to the current trend of bite-sized, Instagram-worthy foods. With the right commercial mini donut machine, you can produce high volumes of these sugary delights quickly and efficiently. The key to success lies in creativity. Experiment with unique flavors, eye-catching toppings, and seasonal specials to keep customers coming back for more. The startup costs are relatively low, and the equipment is easy to operate, making this an accessible entry point for budding entrepreneurs. Number 2. Waffle Stick Café. Transform the beloved breakfast staple into an on-the-go delight with a waffle stick cafe. This concept takes traditional waffles and gives them a modern twist by serving them on sticks, making them easy to eat and perfect for dipping into various sauces. The visual appeal of waffle sticks, combined with their convenience, makes them a hit among busy urbanites and families alike. To stand out, consider offering a range of batter options, classic, gluten-free, or even vegan, and a diverse selection of toppings and dips. A small, cozy cafe setting can provide a welcoming atmosphere where customers can relax and enjoy their treats, making it a neighborhood favorite. Number 3. Pancake Kiosk. Pancakes have universal appeal, and a pancake kiosk can capitalize on this by offering a quick and delicious breakfast or snack option using a commercial pancake machine. You can produce perfectly fluffy pancakes in various sizes and flavors. Consider setting up in high-traffic areas, such as near schools, offices, or at local events and farmers markets. The key to success in this business is variety and customization. Offer a range of toppings, from fresh fruit and nuts to chocolate chips and whipped cream. Seasonal specials like pumpkin spice pancakes in the fall or strawberry shortcake pancakes in the summer can also draw in the crowds. With a focus on quality ingredients and friendly service, your pancake kiosk can become a beloved part of the community. Number 4. Takoyaki Stand. Takoyaki, the beloved Japanese street food made of octopus-filled batter balls, can be a unique and exciting business idea. A takoyaki stand offers a taste of international cuisine, appealing to foodies and those looking for something different. The preparation of takoyaki is a captivating process, which can draw in customers as they watch the batter transform into crispy golden balls right before their eyes. The combination of a distinctive, flavorful dish and the entertaining cooking process can make your stand a hit at festivals, markets, and busy street corners. With the right equipment and ingredients, you can bring an authentic taste of Japan to your local area, creating a niche market with loyal customers. 5. Crepe Cart crepes are a versatile and sophisticated option for a mobile food business. A crepe cart allows you to serve both sweet and savory crepes, catering to a wide range of tastes and dietary preferences. The thin, delicate crepes can be filled with anything from Nutella and strawberries to ham and cheese, offering endless possibilities for creativity. This business is well suited for events, farmers markets, and busy pedestrian areas where people are looking for a quick yet satisfying meal. The elegance of crepes, combined with the charm of a mobile cart, creates a unique dining experience that can attract a diverse clientele. With the right marketing and a menu that showcases your culinary skills, a crepe cart can quickly become a popular attraction. Number 6. Churros Cart. Churros, with their crispy exterior and soft, doughy interior, are a beloved treat around the world. Starting a churro cart can tap into this widespread affection, offering freshly made churros with various fillings and toppings. The simplicity of the churro, combined with the potential for customization, makes this a flexible business model. Consider offering dipping sauces such as chocolate, caramel, or dulce de leche, and experiment with different fillings like custard or fruit jams. The aroma of frying dough and cinnamon sugar is an irresistible combination that can draw in customers from afar. With a vibrant, eye-catching cart and a menu that appeals to both traditionalists and those seeking new flavors, your churro business can quickly gain a loyal following. Number 7. Taiyaki Shop. Taiyaki, the fish-shaped cake traditionally filled with sweet red bean paste, is a whimsical and delicious treat that can make for a charming business idea. These Japanese snacks can be filled with a variety of ingredients, from custard and chocolate to savory options like cheese or sausage. A Taiyaki shop can offer these delightful treats fresh off the griddle, attracting customers with their unique shape and tasty fillings. The visual appeal of taiyaki, along with their versatility, makes them a hit at food festivals, markets, and busy shopping districts. By offering a range of flavors and fillings, you can cater to both sweet and savory palates, ensuring a broad customer base. The novelty of taiyaki combined with quality ingredients and creative presentation can set your business apart in the competitive food market.
8 Bubble Waffle Stand Bubble Waffles, also known as egg waffles, are a popular street food from Hong Kong that have gained international fame. These waffles are characterized by their distinctive bubble-like texture, making them both visually appealing and delicious. A bubble waffle stand can attract customers with the promise of a unique and tasty treat. Served plain or filled with a variety of toppings, consider offering options like ice cream, fresh fruit, and syrups to create customizable desserts that cater to different tastes. The novelty of bubble waffles, combined with their photogenic appearance, can make them a hit on social media, driving more customers to your stand. Setting up in busy areas, such as near tourist attractions or in popular shopping districts, can help maximize your exposure and sales.
9 Pizza oven business. Everyone loves pizza, and a mobile pizza oven business allows you to bring this beloved dish directly to your customers with a wood-fired or gas-powered pizza oven. You can offer freshly made artisanal pizzas at events, festivals, and private parties. The sight and smell of pizzas being baked on site is a powerful draw, and the ability to customize pizzas with various toppings can cater to diverse tastes. This business model offers flexibility and the potential for high profit margins, as pizza ingredients are relatively inexpensive, while the finished product can be sold at a premium. By focusing on quality ingredients and perfecting your dough recipe, you can create a loyal customer base that appreciates the convenience and deliciousness of your mobile pizza service. And there you have it, a collection of unique and exciting business ideas that can satisfy both your entrepreneurial spirit and the taste buds of your future customer. Customers from the delightful allure of many donuts to the international charm of takoyaki, each concept offers a distinct opportunity to create a memorable food experience. Whether you're drawn to the versatility of a crepe cart or the universal appeal of a mobile pizza oven, success lies in creativity, quality, and the ability to connect with your community. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Good luck, and may your venture be as delicious as it is rewarding.